Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is KDTV, and today's video is going to be Lady Frankenstein makeup tutorial. If you haven't been here before, please like, subscribe down below for more videos. So what I got today is green paint, I got white paint, and black paint with a little blood, and then we're going to add in some extra. So first thing we're gonna do, you can use a plastic cup, okay? Control, like that. Just put a little green on it. So we'll be trying this together. Okay, so don't be up here saying, what's she doing? Not digging this. No directions. Guess it's that simple. But for now, we're just gonna use the green as like a base foundation.
That's how we're gonna do it. Okay. It's a little, how you say, runny. It's not like foundation, very pigmented. Unless you gotta put a lot on it.
Now I'm gonna use Best Life by Violet Voss. And we're gonna use black.
Circular, then you can go up like this, like choo choo choo.
Hey YouTube, you know I gotta get in the mix. Versace down, baby.
My face feel like tight. It's like hard. It's like giant. I'm like.
You look like the Hulk. She likes the Hulk, doesn't she?
I'm supposed to be Lady Frankenstein. So.
You want me to put on a little mood light for you?
Ooh, some green. Or am I a witch? I don't know. I'm supposed to be Frankenstein, yeah.
Corner. Check out this app right there, the little light app. Yeah, check it out. Ooh, have a mixture of lights. Yeah. Now what color do you want?
Green.
Green?
Well, yeah, or the blue. So.
Really? They can't.
Ooh, she like the Wicked Witch from the East.
I'm just kidding. I look like a zombie. This is what I look like.
The Walking Dead. Oh, there you go. There you go. Little crazy face ass.
Okay, back to our eyeshadow. We're gonna put it all the way on our brow, like our nose right here, and put it in the corners so we can have like that dark, you know, evil effect that we're looking for. Like, can you see it? So just comb them up. Oop. Just like that. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're going to add a shimmer green to it, and I'm gonna be using Urban Decay, and it's the distortion palette, which I'm gonna be using Urban Decay distortion palette, and I'm gonna be using the green, the hot box green color. It's like a dark green, you see? Okay, boom. Ooh. And now we're going to use green glitter.
Oh, see that? Now we're gonna put the glitter on.
So we're gonna put this green. I'm starting to use a sponge. It's better with a sponge, you guys. So don't use a brush, just use a sponge and just dab so you can get more pigment. I don't know. This is looking horrible. So we gotta let that sit. Now I'm gonna go down and try to finish the bottom part of my neck.
Ooh, yeah. I done whipped it up. The food's ready whenever you get it.
this is what it's looking like so far, and I've just been making it thick. First of all, hold on, let me try to make this. So like, this is what you get once it dries. So like, this would be the smooth color, this is how you highlight your so-called paint. Don't like that. See? So now we're gonna take our creation, our black lines, and we're gonna use some black eyeshadow just to like blend it, because I see this paint don't really let you do any blending. Got so far. Please let me know what you think. This is my first time ever doing Halloween makeup video and dealing with this type of paint. So this is what the kind of effect that I got so far. You know, our eyes at the bottom with black so we can look evil and dead. And now we're gonna take some tissue, I'll whip it up, and we're going to wounds up here and we're all the way down. Got to be glue. That's what I'm gonna try, you guys, and see if it works. Mwah. Yes. This is, oh my God. So now, of course, we're gonna have to use more green. I'm just gonna head around it, just like that. See, like the 3D like layer effect that I'm giving it. You know, just use your imagination, you guys. That's what I'm doing. And actually, it's coming out pretty sexy. I know. It's like, so we're gonna put this green on top of it. You can put a little blood, like, you know, red around. Should have started with that first. That looks live. Yeah, so now we need some more of this green on the others. I don't know if I'm a zombie or I'm a Frankenstein. I don't know. Okay, so now this is what we got. Looking fabulous. Next is we're going to add the blood. It's called blood gel. Okay, this.
Are you done yet? No! God damn, that is excellent. Let me see. Whoa, bro, that looks too realistic. Oh my goodness, you did a great job. Let me see.
Green light. Oh.